Welcome to today's video, where we're diving into the art of balancing work and fitness. In a world that never seems to slow down, finding that equilibrium can be challenging. But fear not, because we've got some game-changing tips and strategies for you. Now before we get started, I want you to picture this: a life where you crush your career goals without compromising your health and well-being. It's not just a dream, it's a reality you can achieve, and we're about to show you how. 1. Prioritize your health. The first step in balancing work and fitness is simple but often overlooked. Prioritize your health. Your body is your most valuable asset, and taking care of it is non-negotiable. Start by setting aside dedicated time for exercise, and treat it like a vital work meeting. Put it on your calendar, and honor the commitment. But here's the kicker: when you invest in your health, you'll notice a surge in productivity at work. That means better performance and less burnout. Who wouldn't want that? 2. Opt for short, effective workouts. Now we understand that not everyone has hours to spare at the gym, so opt for short, effective workouts. High-intensity interval training, HIIT, or quick bodyweight exercises can be done in as little as 20 minutes. No more excuses about not having time. 3. Plan your meals. Balancing work and fitness also involves nourishing your body with the right foods. Plan your meals ahead of time to avoid grabbing unhealthy snacks during a hectic workday. Prep your meals on Sundays, or use meal delivery services that cater to your nutritional needs. 4. Incorporate movement into your workday. Sitting at a desk all day? No problem. Incorporate movement into your workday. Set a timer to remind you to stand up, stretch, or take a short walk every hour. It not only boosts your energy but also helps combat the negative effects of prolonged sitting. 5. Find an accountability partner. Balancing work and fitness can be challenging, but it's easier when you have someone to share the journey with. Find an accountability partner, whether it's a friend, coworker, or fitness app, to keep you on track and motivated. 6. Embrace flexibility. Life is unpredictable, and that's okay. Embrace flexibility in your fitness routine and work schedule. Don't beat yourself up if you miss a workout or have to work late occasionally. It's all part of the journey. In conclusion, balancing work and fitness is not only possible but essential for a fulfilling life. Prioritize your health, make smart choices, and adapt to the ebb and flow of life. Remember, you have the power to achieve your goals and live a life that's both productive and healthy. Take one small step today. Commit to a 10-minute workout, or plan a healthy meal for tomorrow. Share your progress in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to achieve that perfect balance.